rajale on läinud Ervi Kaasiku. Võistleja Aldo Kanepi aeg 6.06.15. Sellega teenib ta 4 karistuspunkti. I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt when the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and me. Hello from the other side. I must have fallen down times since I knew sorry. Breaking your heart, but it's too bad. Really, doesn't tear you apart anymore. Palun pealtvaatajad, ärge istuge raja peal, hobune on tulemas. Turvalisus ikkagist eelkõige. Ja hetkel on rajal võistleja number 57 Ervi Kaasiku. If you ever make it out, that's how nothing ever happens. It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the at least I can say that I've tried to tell you sorry. I'm breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Really doesn't tear you apart anymore.